To celebrate National Dog Day, every day is our day, but whatevs, I'm gonna show you my day in the office. First of all, I arrive at the office with my assistant. Get out the essentials. Then the assistant better know I want a H2O. Fill it up. Fill it up, girl. Fill it up more. That's enough. Then I protect my colleagues from the other work colleagues, 'cause you just gotta be on guard, girl. After all that, I was exhausted, so I got an iced coffee from the coffee machine, 'cause I don't drink tap water. Ew, so disgusting. Anyway, this is how you make the iced coffee, with coffee, milk, and some cubes of frozen tap water. Here's me, living my Fiat 500 era. Playtime! When the caffeine hits! After growling at all the bald-faced dogs for a while, my manager walked in, so I had to pretend to make some stuff. This feels and smells like the skirting board I chewed up in my human's home. I think he's gone. Get Netflix back on. After that, a servant got me a sausage roll, because why would I want to eat dog food? Photocopy my butt, sent to all. Then in a meeting, I pretended I didn't know who sent the picture of the ginger fluffy butt. To be fair, it could have been anyone. Then I tried not to laugh when I looked at my work bestie. Got home and I was pure exhausted. I slept for like 213 hours straight. I don't know how people even live like this. Love yous all. Ta-ra!